Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we explore how to create a business branding campaign poster using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set poster dimensions. I place the visual and pause. Posters need impact, but control. I convert the layer to Smart Object. I open Camera Raw filter and enable Super Zoom. I increase zoom slightly and stop. I reduce noise and smooth textures. I zoom in to focal areas. I add a soft vignette. Business branding should feel strong yet refined. I mask text areas. I zoom out and imagine this poster displayed. Clean, powerful, professional.